It's an amazing island stuck out here in the middle of the Atlantic, given that it's basically volcanic and incredible scenery, truly incredible scenery. Lots of hills and trees and water and plenty of places to go. The Nuns Valley is absolutely incredible to go there. It was beautiful, blue skies. The air is very, very clear. You can see so far and so much. We travelled into Funchal. There is a small avenue which has some magnificent drawings on it. The doorways are all painted and it's really worth going to see. We then went up the cable car.
And then at the top we looked round because of fantastic gardens up there. You could spend the whole day there. But for the first time, we went down on the toboggan, which was far better than I thought it was going to be.
It was 2 kilometres virtually downhill. It's exciting because you don't know what's coming next, because you don't know when it's going to stop, how long it's going to be, and what's round the next corner.
Each time we've come, we've found something that we haven't been to before. And the first time we went to see Blandys, the one, that was really interesting. And hearing the history of Blandys was interesting.
We did once go on a levada walk. Enyo.
It's a really good guide. And although there are some of them are at heights, but it's very easy walking.
Lots and lots of plants as well, so very peaceful.
But there's Santana, where you see the beautiful houses, triangular houses, and the people are there talking about them. This is an island in the middle of the Atlantic, so you can't guarantee good weather. But the beauty of this island is that there is so much on site to do.
There's the pools, tennis courts down there. It's a lovely place to have a holiday.